sit back and relax. This is going to be a spectacle, folks. For your viewing pleasure.
شباب مرحبا بك أحمد. ويبرز من عام 2012 إلى عام 2014 وهنا نذهب.
Coming up next, as our coverage continues, look at a very flamboyant goalkeeper, and he's been back in the first half here today, scoreless.
And this first half has been a nightmare. Well, when things are going right, they're going right. And his place is going crazy. Oh, look at him. He may score. Unbelievable. It's the first time I've ever seen a goalkeeper score. I know it's happened before, but not too many times.
That's a bad giveaway there. And they think it through. Head ball. And it's knocked out of there. Clears it to midfield. Less than 15 minutes from the end, and that's the unofficial time. Hooks around to get him. The Mexicans get it right back. They are controlling this game right now. What a great 1-2 on the left side. He will center. And it's too far for the reach up. He cannot score! The ball is in the net. It's turned away. Unbelievable chance. Inside the penalty area. A shot! The ball would not go in. Wonderful chance for the... Down into the attacking zone. Beating to the 18. In the box. He appeared to be hanging in the air in great position, but he just couldn't get much on the shot. Well, this is what we expected. And on a hot day when tempers are short, we expected to see some fouls. Not necessarily 70% on one team, but we definitely expected to see more on the anticipation for the steal. This long ball down the field, right into the arms of top. 45 minutes to go on this hot day when it is in the mid-90s with a bit of a breeze swirling around the stadium. And they are all over. Just over a third of the way into the first half of play. Intercepted in midfield. Are well back to receive it. And here's some space up the left side. A moment ago, we just saw the difference between a great finisher and one who does not finish. They have outscored everybody else in the tournament. They've played in front of more fans than anybody. Nice little pass in midfield.
احمد ممكن يلعب الكوره. لاعب احمد ممتاز جدا. يمشي احمد على حدود منطقه الجزاء. موعد كبير قوي يا جماعه. لاعب احمد ممتاز. هيا جول. هيا جول. هيا جول. حلوه. خطره والله خطره.
Good evening and welcome to Works Tonight. We bring you, and it's good to see the guys are in good shape here, ready to go. Beautiful night here for soccer here. A lot of activity this time of year, and the referees as we decide who kicks off and which way we go, and should be an interesting matchup. It's just fun to be here. Speed and experience. A lot of experience, and all of these guys on the years of travel experience. Just a lot of these guys probably even play together or against each other for years and are very familiar with the game.
وهو إذا ما
ka taaban doonaa hadduu allaha awoodda la idmo waxaa isku soo dabariday baahinayana anigoo ah cismaan warsame jaamac waxaa soo diyaariyey maxamed sheekh cismaan oo ku magac dheer waxaana ciyaarta idinka tegi doonaa amaana allah iyo kulan dambe oo xiisa leh hadduu allaha awoodda la idmo
Something has come over Atlanta. Something to bring new excitement.